everyone, welcome back to Jades Art Academy. So in creating a responsive image background, we are going to need to add our div class container, and we are going to have to add an image. Now please remember, this image has to be of the pixels about 920 times 1080 pixels, like you see here, the image. So we're going to add it in our image source, image dot, mine happens to be JPG, so I'm going to add it JPG. Okay, so we've already added the source, and then we are going to add alternative text, and we're going to write like town. It's basically like a town. So we're going to add an inline style and set it that it's the width will be 100 pixels. Okay, so when we refresh it, save and refresh, so there it is, a full background image. So we're going to then add another div class content, and then we'll add our h1 element. We'll write headings, and then we'll add h3 and paragraphs first, and we'll add hello world. Okay, hello world. Let's lose a paragraph, then div. So when we save and refresh, you see it, there it is. So we're done with the HTML. We go to our CSS styling. So we're going to style the container first. Now if you've been watching this video so far, I'd like it if you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you very much, we really appreciate it. So we're going to add position relative. The max width will be about 800 pixels, yeah, the maximum width. Then the margin will be 0 auto to make it center. Let's save that and refresh. Okay, so there we have it. We've kept it at the center of the page. Okay, then we are going to style next will be the container dot the content. Okay, and we'll start with the position. We're going to set it to be absolute. Okay, now I would love it if you try it in your own text editor, and if it turns out as great as it did here, I'd like you to put it in the comments below. So the top will be 0, the background, I'm going to add the RGB 000, then we'll add background RGBA there. Then we'll make it the last part to be 0.53. okay, 3. Then we save and refresh. So there it is, hello world. Okay, and from here on, we've already added it to the center. Let's add some color to it so that it will add to our website's beauty. We could add width would be 100%. Now let's save that and refresh. Finally, here we have it. We already have our beautiful website that is responsive. Unlike other image backgrounds that take the full body of the page, this one, it's fitted. We kept it to be responsive. Now let's add padding to be 20 pixels, and then we save that, and finally the final touches. So there it is. So this is how we create a transparent image, an image that is responsive. Okay, so if you've watched this video so far, please, like I said, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to Jades Art Academy. So there you have it, creating a responsive image background.